Imagine a material so light that it's often called frozen smoke. A material that is almost entirely air, yet it can insulate buildings better than almost anything humans have ever created. Now imagine using that material inside your walls to keep buildings warm in winter, cool in summer, and dramatically reduce energy consumption. That material is called aerogel, and it might become one of the most important construction materials of the future. What exactly is aerogel? Aerogel was first created in 1931, but only recently has it started gaining attention in construction. It is made by removing the liquid from a gel, leaving behind a solid structure made mostly of air-filled nanopores. The result is extraordinary. Aerogel is 99.8% air, one of the lightest solid materials ever created, one of the best thermal insulators in the world. To give you a sense of how impressive this is, a piece of aerogel can sit on top of a flower without crushing it. Why aerogel is so powerful for buildings? The real magic of aerogel is thermal insulation. Traditional insulation materials like fiberglass or mineral wool slow down heat transfer, but aerogel slows it down even more dramatically. In fact, aerogel can provide 2 to 5 times better insulation compared to conventional materials. That means buildings lose less heat in winter, buildings gain less heat in summer, HVAC systems consume far less energy, and in a world where buildings account for nearly 40% of global energy use, that's a huge deal. Why engineers are excited about it? Another fascinating feature of aerogel is its extreme thinness. Because it insulates so well, you can achieve the same insulation performance with much thinner walls. This is especially useful in urban buildings where space is limited, historic building retrofits, high-performance passive houses. In other words, aerogel allows architects to design slimmer walls without sacrificing efficiency, where aerogel is already being used. Aerogel is already used in some fascinating applications. For example, spacecraft insulation for NASA missions, high-performance windows, oil and gas pipelines, specialized building insulation panels. And now construction companies are starting to use aerogel blankets and boards in building envelopes. These thin insulation layers can dramatically improve building energy performance. The biggest challenge. Of course, if aerogel is so amazing, you might be wondering, why isn't every building using it already? The main reason is cost. Aerogel insulation can be several times more expensive than traditional insulation materials. But as manufacturing improves and demand grows, the price is expected to drop significantly over the next decade. This is the same pattern we saw with solar panels, lithium batteries, LED lighting, technologies that were once expensive but are now widely affordable. Why aerogel could be huge by 2040. By 2040, global construction will face a massive challenge. We need to build more buildings than ever before, but we also need to dramatically reduce carbon emissions. Aerogel could help solve that challenge by enabling ultra-efficient buildings, thinner, lighter wall systems, major reductions in heating and cooling energy. In other words, aerogel might quietly become one of the key materials behind the next generation of sustainable buildings. Closing thought. So next time you think about the future of construction, don't just imagine taller skyscrapers or smarter cities. Think about something much smaller. A material made mostly of air that might help shape the buildings of tomorrow. Aerogel, the insulation material that could transform construction by 2040.